Hi guys, how's it going? Well, I say hi guys. Maybe that should be vi guys. Vi guys, vi John, vi. Yeah, welcome back. Another Saturday, another shave. We've got some bits and bobs to talk about and a good shave lined up. As you've seen, we're going to be using Vi John, some shaving cream, talk a bit about that. I've got the matching splash there as well. Beautiful, lovely, fresh, clean, crisp scent. The brush we're going to be using today, APshaveco, softest brush I've ever used in the world, ever. Absolutely beautiful. It's a 28mm cashmere knot from APshaveco. And we'll put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. We've got the balming up, Wilkinson Sword, Hydro Balm, we've got that there. The weapon of choice today is a really good looking razor. Look at that. That is, have you guessed it yet? Parker variant. Had a couple of people ask me for that. So we'll use that one today. And we're going to put in Indian shave, Indian cream, Indian splash, Indian razor. We're going to use an Indian blade. There you go. I can't remember his name, but he's an Indian cricketer. He's like a legend in all of India. So there you go. That's what we're going to be using. Somebody gave me these. It says winner by Gillette stainless steel. Somebody gave them to me and I cannot remember who it was, so I do apologise. There you go, Parker variant. Twist the bottom. Top off. There you go. And we'll put our winner blade. Go. What a week. Here we go. There you see. It's a bit more pronounced on there. See it? Gillette by winner. We'll stick that on there. Yeah, special steel, it says that on there. Now this, I think, is it a copy, is it a clone? Some people think it's better, I personally don't. But I think it's based on the Merkur Progress. And like the Merkur Progress, there's a notch, there's a mark. Where is it? See? A mark there, that little notch there, and so there'll be a notch there, and they've both got to be at the same end. And basically what that means is when it's all tightened up, your alignment at the bottom for your adjustable settings are here. We've gone all the way back, we've tightened it all the way back to one. Let's go what we have in 5. Right, so the marker's on 5, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to go right round and we'll put it back on 1 again. So in essence it's 6. No, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go back. Yeah. So we're going to do the first pass on 5. The second pass will go up again and put it on the plus. And then the last pass, the most aggressive, will be all the way around to 1, which in essence will be 6. We're going to do it that way, okay? Oh, here we go. Right, let's get wet the face. Oh! And then we'll have a chat and I'll let you know what's been going on. Oh, guys. As I film this, it's, here we go. Vi John. What I'm going to do, it's actually about 8 o'clock in the evening on Friday. We'll get that. I get a good healthy glob in there. Do not like doing that, but let's, needs must. We'll put a bit more hot water in there. I know hot water, eh? We're at the start of the week, we're praying not be touched by anything hot. Oh, there you go. Here we go. Let's have a do. APshaveco brush. Now this shaving cream guide. Let's have a look. Shaving cream with antibacterial guard enriched with tea tree oil. It's got a natural antiseptic in it. And it smells lovely. Very nice. Very refreshing. You think a hot country like India, it's going to be quite a cooling shave, isn't it? And this brush, this APshaveco brush, cashmere, Oh man, excellent brush if you're a head shaver. That would be an excellent. Look at this. Camera doesn't lie, does it? I'm trying to stop rushing my shaves. And here I am, we'll put a bit more. Get the tips all the way in. Here I am, doing a flyer today. Oh my word. Oh, normally, when I film this shave, I'm in the apartment on my own. But today, there's people on the other side of the wall. There you go. That's that. What was I going to say? Right, here we go. All the way up, number 5. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. All the way up, number 5. Here we go. Look at that blade gap. Let's have a ding dang do. Oh, right. So what a week it's been. The adverse effects of the heat, it's affected everything. It's affected industries and it's affected suppliers, and there's a few things gone wrong with our apartment and just other things gone wrong in general. Add to the fact that it's been extremely busy, and then factor into that I never slept. I slept between Sunday and Wednesday. I think I slept 9 hours. So when it cooled down on Thursday, I think all I've done is pretty much sleep. Friday afternoon, I came in from work. I got in from work at about 3:10. Had a cold drink, went lay in the bed, woke up about 6:10. I've done that every day for the past two or 3 days. As well as sleeping, going to bed at 8, 9 o'clock at night and sleeping 9, 10 hours right through. And then waking up for work in the morning feeling like I've not slept, you know. It's the adverse effects of the heat. I told you, just and I know that's what it is because it comes every time this year when the heat comes. But it's nice and cool now, and it's been nice and cool today. I feel myself starting to get back to normality. Oh, so what was I going to say? Oh, there's some stuff to talk about. The draw, the giveaway. I was supposed to be doing that at some point this week. Not got round to it. I thought I would do it Thursday when things cooled down, but Samantha's working from home and she brings her software home and she has to put it on our PC. So I've not really had access to the PC, so I'm going to do that draw tomorrow. And then here we go. We'll take it up now from 5, we'll put it to the 5 plus, there you go. I think it's maybe 5.5. Yeah, I'm going to do that, hopefully, all things being, tomorrow afternoon. Then put it up Sunday. And then I go away in about 10 days. So we're sorting that out, so I may leave the Frank shaving. I'll try and get it up before I go, but I may leave it, depending on how things work out, until, oh, if I just caught myself. Yeah, oh. Let's have a look at what that is. Yeah. The fizz has gone, guys, I tell you. One thing after another. Done. Yeah, that's the third pass. Good stuff, this Vijum. Have you used it? Have you used that Parker? Have you used that Parker razor? Let me know what your shaves of the day are. And hey, it's weekend. Slurp of the day. I don't normally drink on a Friday. But guess what? I'm having one today. Right. And we'll take that back all the way around. Take it up. And now, can you see? It's on number 1. I might get some nail varnish or something and fill those numbers in. So now that's 6 really, that's equivalent to 6. Yeah, so I must apologise for not doing that giveaway. But like I said, I know everybody blames the weather for everything, don't they? But it made me. It knocked me right off. It did. So the past couple of days. When I've been okay, I've just been catching up on sleep. That blade feels good, but it's not as smooth as a normal regular winners that I use. Yeah. Oh, and I didn't want to do this. I was going to do this tomorrow. Oh, but then a friend contacted me about an hour ago and he wants to do something with me tomorrow. So, can't do it in the morning. I didn't want to leave it till the afternoon. There you go. You've heard that saying, haven't you? It never rains, but it pours. Well, you see the sweat on my brow in this bathroom. It's still warm, it's cooled down a lot. I'm gonna empty that. Oh man, soapy water. This stuff's very, very slick, guys, and it's rendered all the water extremely slippery. Something all other mittens. So, somewhat subdued shave, guys. Oh, trouble is, you get geared up. I know I've said it before, but I do lead quite a busy life outside of work. So I'm quite regimented, believe it or not. Quite regimented and quite formulated, and so I like a place for everything and everything in its place. And then the minute something comes along, a curveball, and alters it, when your life is so regimented like that, only you need to, it's like dominoes. You'll need to knock one thing out of place. And look at this. Blood all over the sink. What? Oh, here we go. Pity sake. I've caught my cold sore, haven't I? Oh, this is horrific. Do you know what? I should have just left it. Should have just left it. Oh, man. Let me sort this out. I'll be back in a minute. Hi guys, welcome back. I was gone that long. The camera switched itself off. Basically, I've just been sat in the bed for about 15 minutes and that won't stop bleeding. And that won't stop bleeding. Done my best, we'll just splash up and bam. It's been a good week, things are getting good. It happens, doesn't it? Come on. Oh, no, that Vigil. Go on then. Oh, why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Woo! That's beautiful, that Vigil. I'll put some more on. That is beautifully scented. I'm going in the shower in a minute. And have a nice, long, steaming hot shower. And then I'm going to have a nice, big glass of wine. Oh my word. and then I'm going to have a lie-in tomorrow. Wilkinson Sword Balm. I'm going to spend some time with my friend, and then tomorrow afternoon at some point I'll do that results draw. So thanks for sticking with me, guys. As always, you know what I say, be positive. I'm positive. This could have been better. Look after yourselves. Thanks for all your support. I will see you tomorrow probably for the draw, and then Wednesday for the shave. Look after yourself, guys. Bye.